Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to do a question about a racing car game. So my brother Enver wants to create a car racing game, but he's not aware of object-oriented programming, which is OOPS. So we have to show him how to create a class of a car. Hi, and guys, say hi to him. With the parameters of brand, color, weight, height, and length. And these are the menus here. Okay, guys. The add methods like for start, stop, increase speed, decrease speed, turn on headlights, turn off headlights. And I did that. Now today we're going to explain it since this is like a 67 line code. Yeah, that is a lot. But it's a little simple. Class our car. So class car. That's our name. Then we defined it. Define in it cell, brand, color, weight, height, length, speed. We're adding speed too. Self.b brand. We know this basic stuff already. I don't have to repeat it. Then we make a function define info self. We always need to have self to refer the object. That's what self means. Print my car self.c. My car brand is self.b. Then I do define start self because I always need that if I'm creating a function. And now for start, okay, now let's focus here. Now for start, okay? So when we have a car game, okay? When we start, right? The speed is what? 0. And if it's 0 means the car just started. But if it's greater than 0, like we can say 1, 10, or 100, the car is already moving and then we just print the current speed. So the car is already moving and print the current speed self.s. This is if
What about 25?
greater than 0. Oh yes, that would also be for if self.s is greater than 0. Else, just print the car has started. Then self.s equals 20. So speed. Self.s means speed. So yeah. Define stop self because we always need to put self after making our function in the brackets. Then now to stop. When we stop, our speed is 0. So it means the car has already stopped. We make a condition if self.s equals 0, print the car has already stopped. Else the car is going to be stopped. If I say 1, can you say 10, something like that. Now look, self.s equals to 0. Then we define increase speed. Now we're making the function to increase the speed because you can see here increase speed, decrease speed. We're already done with this. Start stop. Now we're doing increase speed and decrease speed. So before we actually go on to that, here I wanna you don't need that. I want to do here start and stop. Let's first comment all of.
What about
this.
25?
For what?
For the thing that you drive.
Guys, I don't understand what he's saying. You mean the start function, Enver?
Yeah, the start one.
If I say 25, then yeah. Means the car is already moving and the current speed is 25. You want 25, right?
Yeah.
Let's write 25 because we're doing start function first to see.
Yeah.
Car's already moving. Let's say 0. Car has just started. See? That's easy.
What about 0.25?
Oh, 0.25?
Yeah.
It's the same thing as 25. So now we're going to do for stop. I think I have already said stop, so let's do it. Let's say 0. Car has already stopped. Let's say 1. Car is going to be stopped. Now we're done with the start and stop function. Now we're going on to increase speed, which is here. Now self, define increase speed self.
Or 31.
31 for a stop, for stop function.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue on. So guys, I'm doing here greater or equals to because in Canada, in Highway 401, you can't go further than the speed 100. If you go further, you can get a fine. If you go lesser, then you're completely fine. 100% fine. Now, this is what we're doing here. If we're doing greater than 100 or equals to 100, we have to print, you can't increase the speed further. Else, if it's less, then I increase, so I underscore speed into bracket input, how much speed do you want to increase? How much more in speed do you want to increase? Let's say I write, 60. Now, how much speed do I want to increase? If I say 40, that's 100. But if I say like 60, that's 120. You can't go further than that. So we have to update the speed to 100. Okay? But in a real life scenario, that doesn't happen, but it's a program. So like we just have to update the speed. So what I did here was I have to add it first to know if it's going to be greater than 100 or less than 100. So I did self.s, so speed, the variable speed, don't get confused, plus I underscore speed here. How much speed do you want to increase? Now, this is the if condition. Same thing as this if condition here. So if self.s greater equals to 100, we have to update the speed, then say self.s equals to 100. Print updated speed is 100 by doing self.s. Now let's try doing it. Okay, guys? Let's go one by one so you guys, can understand it more. You know what I mean? Enter our speed 10. How much speed do we want to increase? That always would ask. 60. Okay, because it's 70. Because what's 10 plus 60? 70, right? So yeah. But if I say 100, I can increase the speed further. See? Let's say, no, 90. If I say 28, the updated speed is 100. Okay? Now you guys understand now you guys understand for the increase speed function. Where is that? Yes, now we're going to go with decrease speed. It's basically the opposite, okay? So decrease speed self. Now, let's check here. If self.s is less than or equals to 20, we have to, if you will decrease the speed, the car will stop. Like, let's say, if I go like a 20, it's going to print. If you decrease the speed, the car will stop. If I write 9, it will print the same thing. And then car1.stop, we have to stop it. Else, we do d underscore speed, decrease speed. It's basically this function over here, but we're just doing it faster to not waste any time. How much speed do you want to decrease? Now we have to subtract the speed to know how much speed we have decreased. Then if self.s is less than 0, because it can't be -1. If it's -1, then we have to update the speed to 0. It's 0, print updated speed is 0. Where is it? Okay, guys. Over here. Okay, let's enter our speed. Yeah, car has already stopped. Let's write 1. See? If I say 20, same thing. Let's try 50. Let's say 20. Everything's fine because 50 minus 20 is 30. Let's do this faster. 50. Let's say 60. What is 50 minus 60 minus 10? Update speed 0. See? Now we're done with that. We'll decrease speed. We're almost there. Okay? Now for headlights on. Same thing as start stop. Same thing as start, I mean.
60 will work.
Okay. So if self.s is greater than 0, the headlights are on and the current speed is just printed. Self.s. It's just the same thing like, what can you say, start.
What about 25 speed?
Or else the car has just started.
Guys.
Yeah?
What about the 25 speed?
What do you mean by 25?
I mean, 26 speed.
What do you mean? On the which function?
On the speed function.
Okay, wait. We'll talk about that later. Okay, guys. Let's go back. If I write 0, the car just has started. Yeah, see? If I write 20, see? Okay? That's what's happening. Well, you may be wondering why, if I write 1, why was it printing that? Because I said greater than 0, and plus it's the same thing as start function. Same thing for headlight off. If self.s equals to 0, headlights are off. Or else just print the car is going to be stopped. It's just the same thing as stop, guys. It's pretty simple.
Guys.
It's the same thing as okay, you can say yes.
Guys.
Same thing as stop.
What about
the headlights off?
30 speed.
Okay, you want me to enter 30?
Yeah.
Okay. The car is going to be stopped. If I see 0, headlights are off. My bad. Okay, that's how it works. So guys, this is how it works. This is our racing car game, as you guys can see here.
Yeah, but I don't play that game.
Yeah, there's a game in Poke, but we're actually learning how to do this in Python.
I know.
Okay, guys? So, later in my videos, probably after I learn Python, I might develop a game. We could probably do this, or we could do an easy game. Okay, guys? So we might. So thank everyone for listening about about the project. Okay, and my brother will now run. And subscribe for this channel.
Subscribe.
And guys, let's try getting to 30K subscribers.
We do 20.
Let's do it.
87.
What did you do?
Not enter.
Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to do the car racing game that my brother wanted to do in Python. Feel free if you have any questions in the comments, and I hope you like it, and bye.
Subscribe this juice.
Yeah, bye.